Hi, my name is Dan and I'm one of the tech specialists here at Warmzilla. Before we start, you can get a new boiler, EV charger, or smart home technology with installation using the links down below. Please leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos such as this one. If your boiler needs regular repairs, makes funny noises, struggles to heat your home, or is generally temperamental and prone to breaking down, then you probably need a new one. It's funny to think that you only have to go back a generation to find a time when central heating and hot water on demand were not commonplace features in homes. We've all become so accustomed to being warm that when our boilers conk out, it feels like an absolute disaster. But they don't last forever, so if you're finding yours a little temperamental, it could be time to ask yourself, do I need a new boiler? So these are some signs that your boiler is on its way out. Odd noises. As boilers age, their parts can wear out, and though these can be replaced, it can be more cost effective to get a new boiler completely. If your boiler is making knocking, popping, or hissing sounds when it's on, then you need to get it investigated by an engineer, and you may need to look into getting a new boiler. It regularly needs repairs. You should have your boiler serviced annually by an approved plumber or gas safety technician. They may make recommendations if the boiler is nearing the end of its life, but if they have to keep replacing parts or the boiler needs constant repairing, it's time to think about replacing it. It's old. If the boiler is more than 10 years old, it might be worth replacing it. Even if it functions fine, the older it gets, the more likely it is to break down. Plus, it's probably much less efficient than a new boiler. So although getting a new one might seem like an expensive option, it could save you money in the long run by heating your house more efficiently and bringing your gas bills down. It leaks. Any leak should be investigated immediately, not only because the water can damage your home, but also because it could develop into a carbon monoxide leak, which can be deadly. The water temperature fluctuates. If your hot water takes a while to warm up or runs hot and cold intermittently while running a sink or bath, then you probably need to replace your boiler if repairs don't improve the situation. How much does a new boiler cost? The cost of a new boiler varies, but is only part of the expense. The cost of installing a new boiler can be as much or more than a new boiler itself. Sadly, boiler installation is not a DIY job, as all boilers must be fitted by gas-safe registered engineers. The cost of installation varies even more than the price of the boiler because the amount of work required, how many extra parts are needed, and the complexity of the installation will all impact the final price. So thank you very much for watching this video and I hope you found it useful. Have a great day.